some of the people in this picture, that picture is still alive today, and they've actually visited the store. And so black entrepreneurship is very important. To me, certainly when you have a proliferation of these discount stores, they create food deserts. So I said, no, this is not healthy for my community. Here in Tulsa, there was a study done, and it showed a 14-year life expectancy gap between people who lived in North Tulsa and people who lived in white South Tulsa. 14-year.
That's
real. I know, that's right. Yeah.
And that's what I'm trying to get people to understand, is to change people's DNA. Stop going to these box store drive-thrus and get a box of food that's supposed to be food. It's not
We're
food.
a fast food oasis in my community.
We need to get back to slow food.